How to find accessible units and search for specific features on affordablehousing.com. Now families can more easily search for accessible units. Affordable accessible housing is broken down into two categories: physical and vision hearing impaired. Individuals can also search by specific keywords, like ramps, bars, counter height appliances, and more. If a user zooms out, the number of accessible units automatically changes. The functionality is all map-driven, mobile-friendly, and instantaneous. Once a listing is clicked, it will show what accessible features are included. Those that are not included will be crossed out.